Hey guys, I'm at a no cooling call. This outdoor unit is not running. First thing I find when I get here. So I am digging in here to see what we can find. Alright guys, as you can see, the contactor is pulled in. That's the first thing I notice. So we are getting a call, low voltage call. I'm gonna check and see if we have high voltage. Alright guys, as you could see a minute ago, breaker is tripped inside and my compressor is shorted to ground. So after talking to the client, it's a 2006 model R22. We are going to be quoting him, this is his main system, we're going to be quoting him on new equipment and going from there. So I was going to show y'all too, this little guy didn't do his job. Didn't do his job. You didn't defend nothing. But this system's old. It was bound to happen anyway, but we're gonna go get some more info and get him a quote.